How to reset Photoshop to default settings. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, you should not open Photoshop app. Simply on your keyboard, search for Ctrl, Alt, and Shift key. Click on Shift, Ctrl, and Alt together. Then right click on Photoshop, again right click, and then click on Open. If you have the upgraded version, you will find delete all the subkeys to this app, and you need to click on OK and you're good to go. This is not available on my device because it's free application. This is how to reset Photoshop to default settings. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.